Bonjour, je suis le lion du Nord.
Pourquoi tu prends un accent anglais tout pourri là?
Désolé, je ne vous comprends pas.
Arrête, putain, c'est ridicule.
Ok. Bonjour, je suis le lion du Nord.
C'est en français tes vidéos?
Non? Hello, I'm the North Lion, and today I will make a new accessory for my steampunk cosplay.
Là, c'est bien.
Thanks. Contrary to my Viking cosplay, this cosplay is finished. It's composed of a shirt, a vest suit, a scarf, a long coat, medical equipment, a watch, and a cane. Originally, that was supposed to be a cosplay of a Dread Doctor from the series Teen Wolf, so I made a special helmet. Yeah, it's good, but it has few problems. Firstly, I'm 1m76, and the Dread Doctors are supposed to be 2 meters, so I'm too small.
You're a fucking dwarf, man.
Thanks, Xavier. I'm very glad to have a friend like you. Secondly, I don't see anything with this mask. And thirdly, after 2 days in a middle-aged fantasy steampunk festival, I realized that nobody watched Teen Wolf, except some girls and their boyfriend.
This is what immortality looks like. I think you might have been misled.
So I got a mask, a hat, some goggles, and I made another hat. But something was missing. A gun. I took an old gun, which looks cool, and with it I can do a very cool thing, like this. But I can only do that in a video, because in a festival I'm just a guy who does that. Wrong. Wrong. So I need another gun which can shoot some bullets in plastic, like a nerf. Now in my introduction I will show you how to make a nerf look like a steampunk gun. Fuck. Hey, if you want to know how I made this one, share and subscribe.